Today we're going to be making strawberry yogurt clusters. First, you're going to need 1 cup of cut up strawberries and half a cup of Greek yogurt and some almond bark chocolate. First, you need to mix your strawberries and yogurt together. Then, you need to make your clusters. Next, stick in the freezer for about 1 hour. Next, take them out, melt your chocolate, and dip your clusters. Stick back in the freezer until chocolate is hardened. Finally, they are ready to eat.